Hi guys. This is my bike's mudguard, which is carelessly broken in the middle. It uses a type of plastic that doesn't lend itself of using super glue. But this plastic is very strong. So I will adopt a method to use again it. So stay tuned to see how I recovered it. It is enclosed by a metal frame inside. To modify this metal frame, I have removed it from the mudguard. I first fixed the broken pieces together to hold them using glue tape. I have collected 3 old scrap metal parts. I cut them to my required size. Now I will weld the 3 parts side by side. See what the frame looks like after welding. Spray paint to prevent moisture. Earlier I stuck the frame with 4 nut bolts to keep the broken part fixed. I am opening them now. I scratched the inside of the plastic with a hand grinding machine. This groove will work great for the next step. This is M-Seal glue. It sticks the 2 parts together perfectly. It gets very hard after a certain amount of time. Mix well the 2 ingredients of M-Seal glue together. After, mix it well and apply it along the cracks in the broken part of the plastic. This work must be done carefully. Now the frame should be fixed before the glue hardens. Please go through the steps carefully. Wait until the glue hardens. The glue has hardened very well. I broke the iron wires, undoing all the nuts. I will fix the extra part of the frame with 4-nut bolt. Continue watching the video without skip. It's pretty much as solid as before, though I wouldn't color it. This broken part will be in a position that is not immediately visible, so there is nothing to worry about. Hope today's video will be useful for you. Please comment whether you like or not. And because it will benefit others, you can like and share. We are working for each other. Good luck.